Hello everyone, welcomes all of you in Easy Schooling. My dear students, today's video are very important for those students who are sitting in the Rajasthan board exam 2024. This video of the subject of mathematics class 10. The class 10th mathematics paper will be held on 27th March 2024. This is the most important booklet for every student. The booklet name is Shekhawati Mission 100 Class 10 Mathematics. My dear students, this booklet is in Hindi language, but I am trying to translate in English language for Rajasthan Board Exam 2024 for English medium students. Dear students, the Shekhawati Mission 100 booklet prepared by School Education Churu Team, Churu Division. About this book, the booklet of Shekhawati Mission 100 have 85 pages, and the 85 pages contains exam paper scheme of 2023-24 of class 10th mathematics, 14 chapters with their marks and question and also type of questions, question paper blueprint and 2 model papers. Now we start the explanation of exam paper scheme 2023-24 of class 10th mathematics. This paper timing is 3 hours and 15 minutes and the maximum marks of this paper is 18. In this paper, 6 types questions are there. That is objective type questions, fill in the blanks, short answer type questions, medium answer type questions and long answer type questions. The objective type questions are 15 and fill in the blanks questions are 7, short answer type questions are 10, medium answer type questions are 12 and the long answer type questions are 4. And the very long type answer type questions are 3. There are total 51 questions. Total marks of this paper is 18 and the time is 3 hours and 15 minutes. There are 14 chapters. The first chapter is real number, which contain 4 marks. Second is polynomials, which contain 4 marks. Third is pair of linear equations into variables, which contain also 4 marks. Fourth chapter is quadratic equation, which contain also 4 marks. Fifth chapter is arithmetic progression AP, which contains 6 marks. Sixth chapter is triangle, which contain 4 marks. The 7th chapter is coordinate geometry, which contains 7 marks. The 8th chapter is introduction to trigonometry, which contains 8 marks. 9th chapter is some applications of trigonometry, which contain 5 marks. The 10th chapter is circles, which contains 6 marks. The 11th chapter is area related to circles, which contain 5 marks. The 12th chapter is surface area and volumes, which contain 6 marks. The 13th and most important chapter is statics, which contain 30 marks. This is the most probable topics and most important topics for class 10th mathematics. And the 14th chapter is probability, which contain also 4 marks. This is the blueprint of 2023-24 subject mathematics for class 10th. This blueprint divide every questions number and also divides the type of questions, and total questions is 51 and the total marks here 18. So now we start the first chapter. The first chapter is real number. In the real number chapter, the chapter is 4 marks and there are 3 questions. In this chapter, the Shekhawati Mission 100 teams are prepared very educated team, and every type questions are here. In this chapter, the contains rational number, irrational numbers and the factors, factorials, SCF, HCF, LCM and ATC. In this topic, the questions are 3 types questions. are there and total marks is 4. The first question is there are objective type questions, and in this books objective type questions are also given, and short type, long type answers as questions are also given here. The second chapter is polynomial. The chapter is 4 marks and there are 3 questions. In this chapter polynomials, that is linear polynomial, second order polynomial, tri-order or quadratic order polynomial, and the relations between the zeroth law and the relations also given about that, the polynomials. And there are the questions of objective type questions, and the short type questions, long type questions are also given here. The third chapter is pair of linear equation in 2 variables. There are total 3 questions and 4 marks. There are 1 objective type questions, 1 short answer type question, and 1 medium answer type questions. In this chapter contain linear equation and also 2 variables equation. There are most important 2 methods are given here, and every method's questions are given here. In this book's most important questions, they contains every chapter and every students read it. The third chapter is quadratic equation. There are only 1 questions. That questions are long type question. In this chapter, the Dvigat equations and the roots, about the roots, and also the rule of Sridharacharya. The 5th chapter is arithmetic progression, that is AP. There are 2 objective type questions, 1 fill in the blanks, and 1 is middle answer type questions. There are total 4 questions and 6 numbers questions. In this chapter we study about AP, and the last point of AP and also the derivation of AP. There are many questions are given here, so read it carefully and also solve the questions. The 6th chapter is triangle. In the triangle chapter, there are 3 questions and 4 marks questions are given. There are the many types questions are given. So please download this book and solve it also. 7th chapter is coordinate geometry. The marks of this chapter is 7 and the number of questions are here 4. That is given in there are the most important formula is distance formula, that is contain 2 points distance. The most important and probable topic of 8th chapter. 8th chapter contains 8 marks and there are 4 questions. 1 question objective type, 1 question fill in the blanks, 1 question small answer type question, and the 1 question is long answer type question that contains 4 marks. There are given trigonometric ratio and the relations between trigonometric ratios, and also the most probable and most important is the trigonometric table. So my dear student, please read it properly and solve all the questions. They are the most important question according to the exam of 2024, Rajasthan board exam 2024. 9th chapter is some application of trigonometry, which contain 5 marks and total number of questions are there 3. In this chapter we study about height and the distance. This is the application of trigonometry. The 10th chapter is circle, that contains 6 marks. There are total 3 questions. The questions are objective type, small answer type and medium answer type questions. The 11th chapter is area related to circles, which contains circumference, the area of circle, area of half circle and etc. And the most in this chapter those students are read it, please take a note and note down that. Next is 12th chapter. Chapter 12th is surface area and volumes. This chapter depend on formulas, that is the cuboid formula and the volume of cuboid, volume of cube and also sphere and cone, cylinder, etc's formulas are most important formulas. Please learn it and apply in the exam paper. The 13th chapter is statics. Statics chapter are most important because it contains maximum marks. The marks is 13. In this chapter, total 7 questions are there. 2 questions are objective type, 2 questions are fill in the blanks, 1 questions are small answer type, 1 questions are big answer type question and 1 questions are large answer type questions. In this chapter, medium, mode, median are important topics. And the last chapter is probability, a most probable topic and very simple topic. Every questions contain a small solution. Probability chapter contain 4 marks. There are total 3 questions, 1 objective type question, 1 fill in the blanks question and 1 short answer type questions. And after that, this book contains 2 model papers, which papers are according to the board paper. They contains 80 marks and the 3 hours and 15 minutes. Solve these papers. The solutions of each questions and every questions are given here. So please mark their preparation and do it. Thank you so much. So please, all the students, please read it carefully, and for every student, Shekhawati Mission 100 book is very important booklet. Thank you so much.